Hello everyone, good morning. Today is March 10, 2021. Good morning po sa inyo lahat din sa Pilipinas. To my fellow OFWs here in the Middle East and around the world. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Shout out to Idol.Explorers. Thank you for your support. And as usual, we are discussing the market today. It's already open 9:30 in the morning. Yesterday, there is a bounce in the incline support. So we will check that incline support na hindi ma-break ni PCI. Kasi kung ma-break yan, there's a possibility that the level of PCI will going back below all the exponential moving averages. So this is the last support that we need to watch na mag-hold yung level ni PCI. Because if the level will go below all the exponential moving averages, we call that one as a weak trend or a downtrend. But before that, this is only a disclaimer that this discussion here, there's no recommendation to buy, to sell, or to hold your position if you have shares of these companies. This is only purely for educational purposes to study the support and resistance. So it is depend on your strategy. But the important, we need to see where is the support and where is the resistance. So let's go to the PCI. I will share to you the chart of PCI. Well, part. Let us check the PCI chart. Nalabas yung chart ni PCI. So, refresh muna natin yung chart. May na naman yung may investigar ngayon, no? Handa lang muna natin, request natin yung chart. Okay, lumabas na yung chart. Natin suma yung mga okay, let's going back to the chart. Today, as of 9:47, the most active here dito, ICT, RRHI, EPL, AGI. And the top gainers, SMAX, this is the one down yesterday and is up again now by 14.42%. It's I, and the top losers is FLI, 23.25% as of 9:47 in the morning. ANI is green, MPI is green also. But we see the PCI level still above the incline support. So we'll watch this incline support na hindi ma-break ni PCI, especially this EMA 200, this green line. So still PCI is inside the incline support. So we need to check na hindi ma-break ni PCI. Shout out to my wife. Good morning. So general opinion for PCI, still is inside the incline support. So for me, I need to watch this incline support na hindi ma-break ni PCI. And the exponential moving average, 200 is green line. If ever ma-break yan, then as I said, it will go below all the exponential moving averages. So it will become a downtrend or weak trend. Let's go to the PBI. Let us check PBI. Now is it's red as of 9:49. URC So this is the chart of APVI. Still nag-hold pa naman yung incline support. We'll adjust this line. So still above this incline support. But we need to see this incline na hindi ma-break ni APVI. Currently as of 9:50 in the morning, the current price of APVI is below exponential moving average 20 is below line. So if ever it will close red today, we need to watch this incline support na hindi ma-break ni APVI. Because if ma-break and then this is the next support line below here. It's horizontal. It's the main support for APVI. So just but don't be aggressive now. Wait if the price will hit this incline support because it is a red downward movement, but malayo pa dito sa may incline support. So we need to see if the price of the PBI will reach on this incline support. So just wait for another movement of the PBI. If ever it will close red today, we need to watch this incline support in the next trading day. Shout out to Francis Amparo, to Engineer Edwin Bilan, to Kate Jason and John Marching, to Engineer Ryan Lasaka, and to Rapli Bimurano and Minard Castro. Thank you for your support. Now let's go to the next one is FLI. We'll see the movement of FLI. Si Phil Best. Phil Best. Nag-hold na pa naman dito sa may horizontal support, but there is a rejection as of 9:52. We need to see if the closing price of FLI is green. But if ever the same candlestick, there's a rejection, so we need to avoid because possibly will drop here in this incline support. So just check this horizontal support na hindi ma-break ni FLI. This is the only way we need to watch for FLI, this horizontal support. Because if ever FLI will break this horizontal support, it will go to this incline, and this time it will become the momentum will become weak if ever it will break this horizontal support. Because if we will go back to this incline, and this space is very limited, so possible it will not break again this horizontal line because it will become resistant. So for me, just watch this horizontal support na hindi mag-break ni FLI. So this is my opinion for FLI. So it's depend on your style, but as I said, this is only for uh, educational purposes for to study the support and resistance. But now this horizontal support, this is the current location of the price of FLI. So for me, as I said, we need to see that this incline, the horizontal support, and then break the FLI. Because kung ma-break yan, the momentum will become weak and possible this incline support ay ma-break ni FLI. So let us take another one, DNL. Frame is green, DMC. BDO is red as of 9:55. And RLC is red. So DNL, PHE is also red. Shout out to Will Ludnok and Minar Castro, to Ivan Dave Iwakeri, to King Marias and Red Reddington and Dave Maipan, and to Manny Davis and Patricia Siasat. Shout out to all of you. To Iki Bordado, Christian Earl Amlog, and Henry Six of Italia, and Jonathan Noho. Thank you for your support. Now we'll see the DNL. If you see the movement of DNL, still in the inclined support, nag-hold pa naman yung inclined support ni DNL. So here there's a bounce, here there's a bounce, and there is a bounce in this area. So just watch this inclined support na hindi ma-break ni DNL. So now is in this triangle pattern. So we just, if you have a position in the bottom, just check na hindi ma-break yung incline support. This is for me, for my own opinion. But if you want to buy DNL, we need to wait if there is a drop on this incline support or there is a breakout with volume. So if there is a breakout but there is no volume, there's a possibility that the price will go back to this area, this below this horizontal support, this line. So we need to see if there is a volume, if there is a breakout, and if there is a pullback to this incline support, and the price will stay above the EMI 20. So let us check this incline support na hindi ma-break ni FLI, ni DNL. So dapat dito lang siya sa may taas ng incline support. So just monitor the next movement of DNL. Shout out to Louis, Patrick Lewis, and to Coach Barquez, to Il Espiritu, to Franz Nabuan, Arlen Bruno, thank you, to Chu Yampu, Ria Montilla, and Diana Cortez, Oiki Bordado. Thank you for your support. So let us check the other one, AGI. BEC is down as of 9:58. EBL is red. Or is red. Dito is red, now 11.04. TEL is up. Alco is down. Up, no, it's green. MWC. So, let us check the chart. Pasensya na po kayo kung tagal yung chart maglabas. Puro mahina yung signal. This AGI now is in the resistant area. This horizontal resistant. So we need to watch if the price of AGI will break this horizontal resistance, this line. But overall, it is still below, it is above the incline support. But if ever he will not break this horizontal resistance, there's a possibility that this incline support ay ma-break ni AGI. So dapat he will go up above on this horizontal line, this resistance line. So dapat mag-stay si ma-break ni AGI. Because if as I said, it will become lost momentum if ever there's a rejection on this horizontal resistance, this line. So we need to monitor the next movement of AGI. So sana ma-break na yung horizontal resistance and it will go up on this area. So but as I said, if there is a rejection, we need to watch this incline support because there is a possibility that this line I will break me AGI. So we'll see if we will going up above the horizontal resistance, this line. So this is the time we need to see AGI. SHLPH. The top gainers is now is LAN percent. Top losers is FIP and followed by D2 and OPMB as of 10:01. MM is green. FGen is also up. Now SHLPH still above this incline support. So if you want to check the price movement of SHLPH, we need to see if there is a breakout of this horizontal resistance, this line. So ingat-ingat muna tayo dito sa SHLPH. We need to wait if there is a breakout if you want to with volume. Because as of 10:03, the candle is red. So possible it will drop again on this incline support. So we need to watch SHLPH on this incline support. So if you have position in the bottom, just check this incline support na hindi ma-break ni SHLPH. It's good if there is a breakout of the horizontal resistance. So monitor the next movement of SHLPH. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something. Shout out to Engineer Peter Dominic Bergonio, to Engineer Berhelio Magna and Engineer Cassis Lorono, Engineer Eric Remontan, thank you for your support. Uh, Eric Remolano and Federico Paulino, thank you for your support. To Krishna Prasad Shah and to Engineer Junel Galbi and Engineer Larry Amogis. To Engineer Belio Magna and Engineer Victor Miguel Pinat. Thank you for your support. So this is my final thoughts is for SSLPS. What this blind support na hindi ma-break me is SLPS. And we need to monitor if there's a breakout of this horizontal resistance. So I hope you learn. And if you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box. So I need to take care always. That's all for today. Thank you and God bless us all always.